Hi everyone, Victoria again from Credit Fix Solutions, and I've got a really great client success story for you today. Now, client ID 7266, he had a huge dispute with an energy company. Now, unfortunately, what happens is sometimes the disputes aren't resolved properly for whatever reason. Maybe the person that the consumer is speaking to doesn't really understand what the dispute is or how to handle it, and the debt got sent across to a debt collector. Now, he was happy to pay the debt itself, which was $3,750, and the default was listed in February in 2024. So it's going to cause him a lot of angst until 2029. Defaults are on our reports for 5 years. But he came to us in April 2024, and in around 3 weeks we managed to remove that default because we could prove there was a dispute at the time that remained unresolved at the time that the debt was sold and the default was listed. And on top of that, his score went from 423 to 1003. So that's a great success story for one of our clients. Get in touch today. We offer free assessments, we offer free education. Please make sure you don't pay upfront for credit repair, even if they say they have a no result, no fee policy. You should only be paying for credit repair if and when the credit repair agency can show you that they have in fact done what they promised to do. Reach out today, email us at sales@creditfixsolutions.com.au, and we look forward to helping. Thanks for listening.